No, Niagara Falls lang pala, hindi. Pero, diretso guys, Toronto yan. So, kaibigan ko, darating bukas ng umaga. Galing sa Toronto, 3 hours daw sa train. So, yan. Dito kami, ay, Toronto. Ay, okay. Port Erie. Two falls. Falls is there. Di ba? Welcome na tayo guys. Dito tayo mag-picture sa immigration. Harap natin camera sa atin. Sana wala tayong problema guys. Di ba na ako kinakabahan? Di ba? Kasi residence naman tayo sa USA. Ba't naman tayo hindi makapasok? Di ba guys? Maraming nagsasabi hindi ka makapasok kaya hindi ako citizen. Sa isip ko, bakit hindi makapasok? Residence ko USA. Di ba? Tingnan natin ngayon. Welcome Canada! Yeah! Toronto! Yeah! To Toronto Port Erie. And then Niagara Falls the other side. Straight is Toronto. The right side is Falls. Niagara Falls. So yeah guys, tingnan natin. Bigyan na natin ng queue pa tayo. Bigyan na natin ang ating passport tsaka green card. Yay! Natin kayo. Dami dayo. Parang nasa plane ka rin ba pagbaba mo. Ganun din, daming pila. So dito sasakyan lang. Oh my guys. Mag-entry tayo sa Toronto, Canada. Welcome to Canada. Grabe na, ang US nandito lang. Malakad lang ang US tapos parang Hong Kong at saka Malaysia, di ba? Boarded lang bridge. Tapos mag-cross ka. Yun na yun. Yeah. Spectrum is may Spectrum is welcome Canada. Yan guys. Oh my god. Nakaapak na Canada kahit dito lang sa Toronto, Canada. Yeah. Diba guys? Pila. Ang daming pila. Naihi na kaya ako. Ang daming pila guys. Yan, immigration yan guys. Yan. Ito lang camera sa ating mukha kay. Tingnan natin kung anong masabi sa immigration. Toronto to Toronto. Ang saya no kasi naka USA tapos tawid lang sa Canada, di ba? Ang saya. Another country na, Canada. Parang Malaysia to Singapore. Tapos go Thailand, magbus din patang Singapore, pwede mag-car. Tapos sa Hong Kong naman to China, mag-train lang. Another country and then Macau, o di ba? Naglalakad lang iba guys. Yeah, migration na guys. Tingnan mo natin guys. Migration na kami na ang next. Allah, nakakaba-kaba. Taguan natin camera baka magkalitan tayo ng immigration.
Continue straight to stay on Rainbow Bridge.
Hello, officer.
Hello.
Just want you to roll down this back one over here, and I get everyone to take their sunglasses off for me, please. Just the two of you.
Yep.
Where's home?
I live in Amherst, Ohio. She's a different city in Ohio,
Okay.
Mansfield.
Where are you guys going now?
Staying up for the weekend for Niagara Falls. We just booked at the Victoria Hotel.
Meeting anyone up here? Visiting anyone in Canada?
My friend,
She's
I
many
met my
friends
friend
that are
from
already here.
Toronto.
Okay. Anything being left in the country? Gifts for anybody?
No.
Any alcohol or tobacco coming up here?
No.
No.
You travel with a firearm?
No.
Any other weapons in the vehicle? Pepper
No.
spray, stun guns, anything like that?
Pocket knife.
That's fine. Just a folding one?
Yeah.
There you go, guys. You're all set.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too.
Guys, tapos na guys. It's immigration guys. Welcome to Toronto, Canada. Ano ba guys? Oh, sino nagsabi dyan? Hindi ako makalusot daw kasi hindi ako citizen. I-search ko kaagad. I'm residents from USA, so hindi na kailangan ng citizen. Toronto, Canada. Falls to Falls. Diba guys? Dito na kami
Merge onto
guys.
Falls Avenue, Robert Street, then
So
Victoria Avenue
yeah.
West.
Guess I should have went that way.
Bye bye guys. Bye